にちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today grammar video number 20 of JLPT N4 and we're gonna study this grammar, nagara. I usually follow the grammatical order of this book, Minna no Nihongo, the second one. And now we are studying the lesson 28, 第28課. This nagara indicates that two actions take place simultaneously at the same time. The English translation is while I'm doing this and I do other things too. And very important things to know is this one, nagara. This is only the background information, less important. And the most important one, the most important action is the second one, the last one. So this verb action is more important. And the other very important thing is this action, nagara, while doing something. And the second one, the subject must be the same, not a different person, the same person. The grammatical form is very easy. Must form of the verb and without must. This is the stem form of the verb, okay? Then we add nagara. It means we must replace must to nagara, and that's it. My elder brother jokes, runs, while listening to music. The verb to jog, we say, ジョギングします。ジョギングします。Here there are two actions. One is listen to music. 聞きます the verb to listen. And ジョギングします to jog. These two actions that occur in the same time, but ジョギングします to jog is more important. And listening to music, 聞きます, this is the secondary information. It's not so important as ジョギングします. This means 聞きます, it's like a background information. And in this less important part, this is where we must add this like this. 聞きながら。お兄さんは音楽を聴きながらジョギングします。お兄さんは音楽を聴きながらジョギングします。Now let's compare with the incorrect one. This is not right, okay? お兄さんはジョギングしながら音楽を聴きます。お兄さんはジョギングしながら音楽を聴きます。This sentence sounds very weird because it means listening to the music is the most important thing. Listening to the music. But well, I'm running, but listening to the music is the most important, and it sounds quite strange. You shouldn't drive while speaking with the cell phone. Here there are two actions at the same time. 話します speaking and drive a car 運転します and this drive a car is more important. So this 運転します comes in the end of the sentence. And 話します this is the background information. So here we use 話しながら. Cell phone we say 携帯 this is 携帯 in hiragana and this is in kanji, but we usually don't use kanji here. 携帯 or in many occasions we use with katakana. 携帯 okay 携帯 or we can also say スマホ this is smartphone. 携帯で話しながら運転してはいけません。携帯で話しながら運転してはいけません。危ないですよ。Let's talk. Having some coffee in the coffee shop. Coffee shop, we can say 喫茶店。But nowadays, many people say cafe. cafe. But when we say cafe, this is not a drink, not a coffee. So please don't get confused. When we say cafe, this is the place, cafeteria, or the tea room, or coffee shop. 喫茶店 and cafe is the same thing. Here, two actions are these. 飲みます to drink some coffee, or 話します to talk. And this one, to talk, is more important, right? So this 飲みながら, this is while drinking. So this is only the background information here. And 話します is in the last part of the sentence. 喫茶店で、カフェで、コーヒーを飲みながら、話しましょう。喫茶店でコーヒーを飲みながら話しましょう。カフェでコーヒーを飲みながら話しましょう。いいですね。My mother is preparing dinner while singing a song at the same time. The verb to sing, 歌います。And 歌, this is the song. 歌を歌います。Sing a song. 歌を歌います。These two action verbs, 歌います to sing and 料理します to prepare some food, prepare a meal. 料理します。And the more important one is 料理します。So this is in the end of the sentence. And 歌います。This is only the background information. This is less important. So 歌い and with that ます we replace with ながら、歌いながら。お母さんは歌を歌いながら晩ご飯を料理しています。お母さんは歌を歌いながら晩ご飯を料理しています。I'm explaining, showing these papers of vocabularies at the same time. Vocabulary, 語彙、紙 with this intonation and the pronunciation 紙 we can say two things. One of them 紙 it means hair on the head, hair. And other one 紙 but with this kanji this means paper. So I think it's better to say 髪の毛 for hair to avoid the confusion. 髪の毛 this is hair and 紙 paper. And this other one 神 but this is the different intonation. タン Kami it means the God. But when we say 神 we can mean the two things. Two action verbs here is 見せます to show and 説明します to explain. In this sentence, to explain is more important. I explain. But how? Showing some papers of vocabularies. So here 見せます with ながら。語彙の紙を見せながら語彙の紙を見せながら説明しています。語彙の紙を見せながら説明しています。I'm teaching Japanese, saying example sentences very slowly. Example sentences, 例文 because 例 this is example. 文 this is the sentence. So this is why 例文 example sentences. Two action verbs here is 言います to say and 教えます to teach. And here this is more important to teach. I'm teaching, so 教えています this one. And 言います this is the background information. Saying so slowly, okay? So 言います here we must replace ます とながら、言いながら。例文をゆっくり、ゆっくり言いながら、日本語を教えています。例文をゆっくり言いながら日本語を教えています。I play the piano looking at the score. Music score, sheet music, 楽譜 Two action verbs here is 見ます to look at or to watch and 弾きます to play music, to play string music instrument. 弾きます And here the most important one is 弾きます to play the piano. So this is in the last part of the sentence and 見ます here without ます and ながら見ながら楽譜を見ながら楽譜を見ながらピアノを弾きます。楽譜を見ながらピアノを弾きます。My younger brother is studying economy in the university while working or while doing a part-time job in the convenience store. Part-time job, we say アルバイト。To do the part-time job, we say アルバイトします。Actually, this word アルバイト comes from the German Arbeit, the work, Arbeit. But we say アルバイト。Economy, 経済。Between these two verbs, します from アルバイトします and 勉強します to study.The most important one is 勉強します to study. So this one is in the end of the sentence and アルバイトし without ますアルバイトしながら弟はコンビニでアルバイトしながら大学で経済を勉強しています。弟はコンビニで働きながら大学で経済を勉強しています。I'm studying kanjis, watching Lily Sensei's videos. Videos we can say in two ways. One of them, the new one, 動画 and the other one, video. So you know this video. So today we're going to learn 動画 This kanji ど動きます to move and が this is image. So image that move. This is video, okay? 動画 And when we talk about YouTube videos, we usually say YouTube の動画 or YouTube 動画 Two action verbs 見ます to watch watching videos and 勉強します to study and this one to study is important the most important one you are studying kanjis 勉強します so this is in the last part of the sentence and 見ます and this is 見ながら in Japanese when we say the name of the teacher and we must say the first the name Lily Sensei for example you might say Professor Tanaka but we say 田中先生リリー先生の動画を見ながら漢字を勉強しています。リリー先生の動画を見ながら漢字を勉強しています。いいですね。I think you understand this nagara very well by now, right? So there are always two verbs and the most important verb in the end. And the background information is in the first part with nagara. Now a small quiz with 3 translations into Japanese using nagara. 1番目 My boyfriend eats dinner always watching the TV. 2番目 This singer can sing while she dances. Here I'm gonna help you with these vocabularies. Singer, 歌手、singer. And the verb to dance. 踊ります。3番目、最後です。Difficult one. If I drive a car while I chew gums, I don't get so sleepy. Gums, chewing gums. We say ガム。The verb to chew. 噛みます。So, when we say ガムを噛みます to chew gums. This verb 噛みます to chew, but there's other meaning to bite. This sentence is quite difficult because we must use conditional sentence. Do you remember? If I drive a car chewing gums, this is a conditional. And this condition, you must do this and 100% it's going to be like this. Do you remember this condition? Using と sleepy. This is E adjective. 眠いです。I'm sleepy. I get sleepy. 眠くなります。I don't get sleepy. 眠くなりません。Today we learned when two actions occur in the same time simultaneously and the subject is always the same person using ながら. If you think this video was useful for you, please don't forget to give me like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it. And if you can share my videos with your friends, you can help me a lot. いかがでしたか？今日はながらを使った文をたくさん勉強しました。これは2つのことを同じ時間に同時にするときに使う言い方です。そして一番大切な動詞は最後に来ます。ながら、ここはそれほど大切ではないところです。どんな時に起きるかという時で、ながら、そしてその後に来る動詞が一番大切な、一番言いたいことです。そしてこの2つのことをする主語、その人は同じ人です。同一人物です。このビデオが役に立ったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いします。そして私のチャンネルをお友達に紹介してくださったら本当に助かります。ぜひお願いいたします。このように私のチャンネルでは日本語を少しでもよくわかるようにゆっくりと丁寧に説明しています。そして時々日本の文化についても話していますから、より日本が好きになってくれたら嬉しいなと思っています。これからもできるだけ頑張っていこうと思っていますから、ぜひ応援してください。では、また次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。絶対来てください。じゃあね、またね。